So you are a streamer or a content creator or anyone that needs to run the Canon EOS R10 in a more continuous fashion. Let me explain you how. So you have an R10 and you need to run the video feature on R10 continuously. So you need or almost continuously, of course. So you need to some way to continuously power your kind of EOS R10. So I have an R10, as you probably know if you have been watching my channel. I love this camera. It's pretty awesome, but I wanted to use it for some other stuff that other than taking photos and videos on the road, which is its main function. But every once in a while, I wanted to include it in my streaming platform, on my streaming channels. Never mind. Check the comments below. I will have my link tree there for my other channels where you can see why I'm saying this. So I had the need to continuously power my R10. I am continuously powering my Canon EOS M200, which is this one there. So this is my M200, and it's already running a continuously power a kit to continuously power the camera through the battery. Okay, so it's been working fine. And I wanted to do something for the R10 too, but that for this time I want to have something official from Canon. Not that this one doesn't work fine; it's working great. I forgot the camera turned on for 2 days straight, and it was fine. But I wanted something from Canon to see what is the difference between the Canon product and a product from a third party, like it's the one is running here. And I searched, and effectively, Canon has a product called the USB power adapter PDE1. It's on user's manual, but was not able to find it anywhere. So basically, it's a power adapter that connects to the USB-C of the R10, and it has a power brick to connect to the wall. So this just avoids the need of having to have a dummy battery inserted in the R10 like on M200 and other cameras of the kind. I could not find the official product, so I went back to the third-party ones, and I went back to the ones I trust, because I have one for this manufacturer for the M200 continuous power, and I also have a similar kit for my EOS 550D T2i 550D. Also here, I'm not using it right now. Also, it's been working just fine. The only difference is that this one is running through the wall, and this one is USB powered. And both just work great, to the point I have forgot both cameras turned on after work, because I work using the cameras, and they were fine. The cameras themselves and the adapters. I will not recommend this, but by accident I did a stress test and it worked fine. So the one I ended up buying, it's the same manufacturer of these two. I'm going to put a link on the comments below if you want to check it out. And the description is pretty generic. Continuous power, blah 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 volt, blah 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 battery substitute for blah 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 camera model R10 and everything else. So basically, this is just I will not run any fancy B-rolls or nothing about this. It's really a really simple video, just to say if you are someone like me looking for a similar product like this one. I'm going to say it's flawless. It may fail, but with me, it's still so far great for a year now, and much more than a year on the case of the 550D. So this is the kit. Let's see if the camera focus on this. Yeah. I have 3 of these for different cameras. Pretty simple. And you have 2 options for the kit. You can buy it with the items I'm going to show you, and with or without the USB power adapter. So you need to have. I don't have nothing much beefier in terms of the power adapter. I don't think I tried with the standard USB phone adapter, and it kind of was not enough. Oh, I lied to you. I have more than these 2. I have one for the M200, the 550D, and my 600D there. So I have 3 continuous power adapters from the same manufacturer, which is nice. So this comes with this. I believe this will be the same for any camera. So this is just a simple USB cable This is USB, of course, and this is going to, let me see if I can show you this. And this will just connect to the adapter itself. I'll show you in a second. So these two, the M200 and the 600D, have the same USB solution. And the 550D, it's an older solution, so it's slightly different, but the same concept. And on the other side, we have the dummy battery here. And you have the female for that one. So hopefully this will focus on me and not my face. So this will just plug in like this. We insert this in the camera. I will show you in a second on the R10. And this will plug in into any USB adapter. Just avoid phone adapters. At least the phone adapters I tried, they don't have enough power, and the camera ends up or either not powering up or powers up and then shuts down, or some weird behavior will occur. So this is quite simple. You just get your camera, in this case the R10. You remove, obviously we remove the battery, that's if there's any battery there. We insert this. Let me see if I can show you. I don't want to make this a too complicated video, but here we go. You just insert it. It just goes on only one way, so if it does, so it's fine. You have here a rubber gasket of sorts. You just flip it, pass the cable through it, so it can the door can close, and you're done. That's it. This is every camera has this. Even my older cameras have this flip. So because some cameras don't power on if the battery compartment is open. So this is closed. To just put this on any USB adapter. Just test it out. Maybe your phone has a more powerful adapter than my phone. So just try it out, see what happens, and that's that. So this works just great. Like I said, I tried to find the official one for the R10. I was completely unable to do so. I could not find it anywhere, not even on Amazon, but your results may be different. You can try to find it out yourself. But because my idea was to use, since this uses USB-C, I was trying to avoid using the dummy battery. No special reason. It doesn't hurt the camera at all. But it was just my idea here. But I could not find it, and the official adapter, anyways, needs a power brick. So, no big gains there. This works fine. Let me show it again. It's this guy there. I'm going to put the link on the description below if you want to check it out. I have no affiliation with these guys. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just wanted to share with you guys, for the ones who are interested, if this is safe. Of course, I cannot guarantee that. But I can tell you that I have been using 3 different from these guys. All 3 are from these guys. Okay, the 550D, the M200, and the 600D. The 3 of them are using the same, the adapter from the same manufacturer, and it's been working great until now. So if you're on the fence, go ahead and try it out. I don't think you'll be, I don't think you'll regret the decision. Cool, guys. Hope this helps. Hope this helped you. I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe really helps the channel to grow. And ask any questions or comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.